Welcome to Sergeant Leonel Treviño Elementary. I am Principal Maria Rubio Viescas. Sergeant Leonel Treviño Elementary is a school that provides all students an opportunity to acquire 2 languages through a rigorous dual language program. I invite you to be part of our PSJA family and make Sergeant Treviño Elementary your school of choice.
Hello, my name is Jaden Garcia. I'm a student at Sergeant Treviño Elementary. Come with me as I show you some of my favorite things about our school. This is the library. The library has a plethora amount of books in both English and Spanish. We have books that widen our imagination and stimulate our minds. And that's Miss B in the back, our favorite librarian. As we walk through the halls of Treviño Elementary, you will see that we have encouraging and inspiring sayings to keep us going throughout the day. These words serve as little reminders to be kind, encouraging, and to build up social and emotional skills. This is just another way that Treviño Elementary develops kind and caring leaders every day. And this is the Science Lab. Here we learn about animals, plants, nature, and insects, and many more things about our environment. That's the end of the tour. I hope you enjoyed this inside look of Sergeant Treviño Elementary. We hope to see you here. Bye!